Mastering professional phone calls. Sound confident and clear. Good morning. My name is Alex Lee, and I'm calling from Bright Future Solutions. Good morning, Alex. This is Innovatech Services. Sarah speaking. How may I be of assistance to you today? Thank you, Sarah. I'm calling to inquire about the availability of your Advanced Project Management Workshop. Certainly. Our Advanced Project Management Workshop is quite popular. May I ask for which month you are considering enrollment? I am looking for options in the upcoming month, preferably in the first 2 weeks of July. Allow me just a moment to check the schedule for July. Yes, we do have a few openings. That's excellent news. Could you please elaborate on the specific dates and times available? We have a session starting July 5th, running for 3 consecutive days, from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. July 5th for 3 days. That sounds potentially viable. Is there another option later that week, perhaps? Let me see. Yes, we also have one commencing on July 8th, with the same duration and timings. The session beginning July 8th would be perfect. I'd like to reserve one place for that, please. Excellent choice. I can certainly reserve a spot for you for the July 8th workshop. May I have your full name and email address for the registration? Certainly. The name is Alex Lee, L-E-E. And the email is alex.leehodja@brightfuturesolutions.com. Thank you. So that's Alex Lee, L-E-E, and alex.leu@brightfuturesolutions.com. Is that information accurate? Yes, that is all correct. Could you also inform me about the payment procedure for the workshop fee? Of course. You will receive a confirmation email shortly with all the pertinent details, including a secure link for online payment. Excellent. A confirmation email with payment details. Is there any pre-reading material or preparation required beforehand? We typically send out a welcome packet 1 week prior, which includes a brief agenda and some introductory articles. Nothing too extensive. Understood. A welcome packet a week before. That sounds very well organized. We aim to provide a seamless experience. Is there anything else I can assist you with today, Alex? No, Sarah. I believe that covers everything. You've been exceptionally helpful and clear. I appreciate your time. It's been my pleasure, Alex. We look forward to welcoming you to the workshop. Thank you for calling Innovatech Services. Thank you again, Sarah. Have a wonderful day. You too, Alex. Goodbye for now.